The Siemens PCS7 software with add-ons is comprehensive in scope for the process industries. Siemens continues to add functionality and innovations to the product. The newest PCS7 version 9.1 provides more flexibility, scalability, availability, safety, and security in process automation than any automation system on the market.
The Siemens Advanced Process Library, or APL, is nice because it is a standardized library with common functions that majority customers have all the functions they need, and then it has feature bits that allow you to turn off and on very detailed pieces of logic for a specific customer or a specific function.
We use SIMIT simulation software when we need a medium fidelity or even high fidelity simulation. If we only need to check device logic and device HMI links, then a controller-based simulation using the APL device blocks is sufficient. But if we want to check all sequential type logic, then we use SIMIT. SIMIT allows us to create an external simulation that makes automatic SFC execution possible. We can find and eliminate any SFC coding errors in advance of commissioning. FAT and site commissioning will go much faster. But the only way to achieve automatic SFC execution is with mass balanced product transfers between vessels. We use SIMIT for this. We use a library function block within SIMIT to calculate vessel levels based on all flows in and out while accounting for vessel geometry. Almost as important is the accurate simulation of the vessel product temperature. The same SIMIT function block is used. We have found that when you accurately simulate the vessel levels and product temperatures of a plant, you are 90% of the way towards an automatic SFC execution and a realistic HMI experience for the operator. The other 10% is also easily handled within SIMIT.
By doing a process simulation using SIMIT, it allows you to test multiple scenarios and repeatability, so when you get to commissioning, the commissioning is more efficient and you've already tested different scenarios, and operators and maintenance can test those scenarios with you. The testing in a controlled environment is a risk reduction in the actual plant and faster commissioning at the plant. The Siemens Industry Library is a set of special blocks for specific industries. One of the things we like about the Industry Library is the 4x3 interlock block. It allows us to do a little bit more complex interlocking, and it also has a timed interlock feature for bypassing that allows you to have a bypass work for a certain period of time, a predefined time, so that you can get through a transfer or you can finish a shift, and then maintenance can go back and fix that item without having to remember they have to unbypass an interlock. One of the biggest issues I see is people leave interlocks on. And so if you can have a time feature where it automatically turns off, it reminds the next shift, it reminds the next operator that they need to fix this issue, but not during a process, when they're running a process. The sequential function chart is nice because it organizes the logic in a pattern of step and transitions that you can visualize on the HMI that allows operators to do the first level of debugging, watching the interactions or finding out what's holding them up on it without getting an engineer or maintenance involved.